A group of frogs lives in a tree. A frog turns green in the shade and yellow in the sun. At first, the ratio of green frogs to yellow frogs was 3-1. Then 3 green frogs moved to the sunny side, turning yellow, and 5 yellow frogs moved to the shady side, turning green. Now the ratio of green to yellow is 4-1. What is the difference between the number of green frogs and yellow frogs now? You can pause here and solve the problem before seeing the solution. Let's use the starting ratio. Since green to yellow is 3-1, we can call the number of green frogs 3k and the number of yellow frogs k. For some whole number k. Now track the moves. 3 green frogs leave the shade and become yellow, and 5 yellow frogs arrive and become green. So the new green count is 3k minus 3 plus 5, which is 3k plus 2. The new yellow count is k plus 3 minus 5, which is k minus 2. The new ratio is 4-1. So the green count equals 4 times the yellow count. That gives 3k plus 2 equals 4 times k minus 2, which is 4k minus 8. Solving. 2 plus 8 equals 4k minus 3k. So k equals 10. Plug in k equals 10. The new green count is 3 times 10 plus 2, which is 32. And the new yellow count is 10 minus 2, which is 8. The difference is 32 minus 8, which is 24. The answer is 24.